Typically, most cookware is compatible with gas stoves. However, there are some types of cookware that perform particularly better than others. We've listed them in this article. As for material, the best cookware for gas stoves is stainless steel. Aluminum or copper is also good.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best cookware for gas stove. So let's get started. Number 5. Cuisinart 14-piece Chef's Nonstick Cookware Set. What earns this cookware a spot on our list of the best cookware for gas stoves? Its fine design and sturdy construction. Made from hard anodized aluminum and stainless steel, this set of cookware is highly durable, performs very well on a gas stove, and is resistant to a lot of wear and tear. The Quantanium non-stick surface allows for easy food release and lets you cook with less oil for healthy, low-fat meals. This cookware is easy to clean and use, and is dishwasher safe. The pans are scratch resistant, and the pots are designed for drip-free, easy pouring, leaving no mess behind. This cookware can be used with any cooktops, including gas stoves and ovens, as it can resist heat up to 500 F. Number 4. GreenLife Soft Grip Ceramic Nonstick 16-piece Cookware Set. GreenLife is dedicated to promoting healthy cooking. That's why their cookware is made of thermal ceramic material for non-stick, oil-free cooking. It's not fully ceramic cookware, but that's a good thing when talking about the best cookware for gas stoves. It doesn't contain cadmium, lead, PFOA, or fuzz, so you can enjoy toxin-free food at all times. It's a complete package. With one purchase, you get everything you need in the kitchen. It is safe to use in the oven and stovetop. The cookware have ergonomic, soft grip handles and sturdy aluminum bodies. The aluminum core is wobble-free and made of recycled materials to be earth-friendly. Aluminum is a good conductor of heat, requiring minimal energy for cooking and saving you money in the long run. Number 3. Rachael Ray Cucina Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set. This Rachael Ray cookware set gives you highly durable, nonstick cooking solutions. The construction uses hard anodized material that's popular for its even heating and rapid heat up. It is 100% PFOA-free, non-toxic cookware. Hard anodized cookware is great for gas stoves because it heats up evenly and is tougher than even stainless steel cookware. The inner surface has a high-quality non-stick coating, which simplifies cooking and cleaning. The lids are made of shatter-resistant tempered glass, and the stainless steel handles are dual-riveted with a silicone cover. This product is safe in the oven up to 400 degrees. The product comes with a limited lifetime warranty, making it an extraordinary addition to your gas stove kitchenware. Number 2. Granitestone Granite-Coated Cookware Set. Granitestone, as the name suggests, is a set of highly durable, granite-coated cookware. This set is made of hard anodized aluminum and the non-stick layer is granite-coated. Nothing sticks to this cookware. When it comes to non-stick, this is among the best cookware for gas stoves. Treat it right, and it'll keep its non-stick properties for a long time. The anodized construction allows for perfect heat distribution, making it great for browning and searing delicate foods like steaks. Also, this cookware is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 1. Cuisinart MCP-12N Multiclad Pro. The Cuisinart MCP-12N cookware set offers pans and pots suitable for all cooktops, including gas. It's designed and constructed with every important factor in mind. The excellent stainless steel polish keeps the product's color intact and doesn't react with food or cause alterations in flavors. The triple-layer stainless steel construction helps distribute heat evenly and allows for maximum heat retention. The rims of all cookware are designed for drip-free pouring. The tight-fit lids in the Cuisinart cookware set are made of high-grade stainless steel, and the cool grip handles are made of double-riveted stainless steel. The product is dishwasher safe and easy to use and handle. That was our list of the top 5 best cookware for gas stove just for you.